How to choose the best web hosting for your website beginner's guide. Hello everyone. Welcome to Natibama Web Design Academy. If you're planning to build a website, one of the first decisions you'll make is choosing a web hosting provider. With so many hosting companies available, how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'll explain what to look for when choosing web hosting, and at the end, I'll share the hosting provider I use and recommend.
What is web hosting? Before choosing a hosting provider, let's quickly understand what web hosting is. Web hosting is a service that stores your website's files and makes your website accessible on the internet. Think of it like this. Your domain name is your home's address. Your hosting is the actual house where everything is stored. Without hosting, your website cannot be viewed online.
1. Website speed. The first thing to consider is speed. A fast website provides a better experience for visitors and can help improve your search engine rankings. Choose a hosting provider known for reliable performance and fast loading times. 2. Uptime and reliability. Next, look for excellent uptime. Uptime measures how often your website is available online. A reliable hosting provider helps ensure your website stays accessible to your visitors.
3. Security is another important factor. Look for hosting that includes features such as free SSL certificates, daily backups, malware protection. These features help protect your website and your visitors.
4. Customer support. If you're a beginner, good customer support is essential. Choose a hosting provider that offers 24/7 support through live chat, email, or phone, so you can get help whenever you need it. 5. Ease of use. A beginner-friendly control panel makes managing your website much easier. Look for hosting that offers one-click WordPress installation and simple website management tools.